Good day guys, welcome to Trendy channel. So in today's tutorial, a lot of person has actually been asking me, Sir Trendy, how will I be able to create a customizable theme for church program? Now this is what I mean by customizable theme. Now the woman you're seeing inside there, like a lot of beginners has been asking me, how will I be able to do this? How will I be able to do this? How will I be able to do that? So just watch out for this video because the flyer will be a video will be done on how the flyer was achieved, but now we'll be focusing on how to create the theme alone. While after this video, the next video that will come up is how to create this beautiful flyer that you're seeing here. So I said let me make this video first for this one, then later we'll make the other one. So guys, let's just go straight to the business of today. So just subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. So let me see, you're working for, let's just hide everything, change our color to black. So let me say you're working for a church or you're working on a project and you were asked to write woman. One of the things that makes your flyer to be beautiful is one of the things that makes your design to be beautiful is first your background manipulation, and secondly your theme. If you've been following me back to back, you will know that I always say that design on its own is a different thing, while your theme is also a design. So when you're designing, you're not just doing one job, you're doing two jobs at the same time, your theme and your main design. So the font I use is Roadstone that font. This is the font I use. So what I did was, instead of me to retain this A as part of the woman, I went to my edit, then I removed the A, then I just created space for it like this. This is exactly what I did. Then before now, I've already downloaded a max, that's an ancient max used for war. So for it to be able, let me change the color to white so that you see what I'm doing. So now this thing you're seeing now is called, if you want to download it, if you want to practicalize the video, it's called ancient max. So just go to your Pinterest. I've made a video on how to download material. It's called ancient max. So all you need to do is to reduce the size to fit in this space that you've created. And please, if you find this video helpful, please watch this video to the end and let me know in the comment section so that I'll be making videos subsequently on things like this, and also comment anything you want me to make video on, and also share this video with your friend. Now this is how you make the theme. Now you see that everything has just changed as woman. So the next thing you do now is to change your background to transparent, then save this first concept. Then now you hide it, then I import the other one that you saved. This is it. Then all you need to do is to just increase the size to 100 level. So now the next thing you do is to tap on the image, that's the theme, then go to your texture. Now at this moment we are about to import our background. One of the things that makes is little part of design that actually makes your design to amount to something great, not really the whole thing, part by part, before you've achieved what you needed. So what I did was I just rotated it to get the perfect side of what I needed. Then I'll do my good. Are you seeing? Everything has changed to equal. Now the reason why I saved it and imported it back again is to make them align together very well. Then all I need to do is to scale it properly. use my hand and scale it. Then the next thing I did was I went to my 3D, activated my 3D. Now if you observe, the 3D is broken. Yeah, all you need to do is to go to your light angle. This is your light angle. You disenable it, then come back to your depth, reduce the level of your depth a bit. Let me say 5 will be preferable. 5 will be preferable. So are you seeing how these beautiful concepts were able to be achieved using Pixellab? So guys, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends, and see you guys in my next tutorial. Don't forget, our next tutorial will be on that flyer, how to make that flyer from scratch, including the background manipulation. So see you guys in my next tutorial.